Yep, there they are.
I see them.
Somebody broke into the Shilo Inn. It hasn't been open for a while, but Lori said that somebody broke in there the other day too. Always interesting when we go for a drive. It is like a holiday here. There are so many people down here on the beach.
Yeah, they probably had it with the inland freaking heat.
Yeah.
90 degrees yesterday. And
yeah, it was warm inland. Not so much here, but it was definitely
zero
here.
Gravity.
I like it.
It's nice to see our tourist town with some people. And the kites are really fun to see. I love that snake one back there. I don't like snakes, but I thought that was kind of cool.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, there's so many seagulls today.
Where you should be playing is
it's crazy
because the wave comes and when you get to
there's not normally this many seagulls on our beach, you
then
guys.
that pressure keeps you up and you can go a long ways.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
Is there a storm coming?
No, gotta be.
Nope.
Because I'm telling you, there was.
Beach combing. They were feeding down. Way down that way. That guy has a nice setup. Look at that.
Yeah, I think they're neat.
Yeah.
I do too.
I don't know if I'd be able to climb up there though.
Yeah, that's
Is
a
that
heck
just
of a
a
stair.
bed they got up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's quite the setup there. The whale has been buried, you guys. Pretty much. You're just seeing some bones in the top of it. Took a while, but finally is buried.
That's you know that.
He said that
Big feeding frenzy
there
out
was one
here
time that a sub-
earlier.
they brought a sub over.
All the way down there, they were eating, diving down the fish coma. Sweetheart. It's got a meetup back end. It's a Toyota, and it's like rattle can
Oh, look, it isn't that cute. It's a seal. Oh, that's really cute.
Looks like we're having a little car show down here at the beach.
So is the other one. Oh, there's 3 of them.
I would have a WRX. That's what I would have if I was having. And a Lexus. It looks like a Mazda Miata. Is it?
I guess the thing
It's not marked. Now there's the Scion and this is the Honda. That I believe is a Miata. Look at this wheelchair with the yellow tires. Those are free.
So Lori was just telling me that the wheelchair that you saw that had the big yellow wheels on it, you can go to the bike shop on the corner across from Dollar General. And you can, what was it, 1 hour you can rent it for free?
They'll give you a free rental for
Free rental.
disabled
All right.
bikes.
Oh, over by
Bicycles, power
by
bikes.
Subway.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, it's more like over by Subway. Did you have fun on the beach? Huh? Did you have fun? She's tired. Say, it's past my bedtime by 2 hours, Mom. Come on, let's go. Come on. We are having a really super simple meal tonight. Loaded baked potatoes, mashed potatoes. Love those. And I've got some gravy, and then the shredded chicken is in there with some green beans for our salad. And then dessert, Lori made us some banana bread. We've already sampled it. It's super good. I'm going to put some onion in the green beans. You could put bacon in there too if you had it. We don't have bacon, but you could do that. Sometimes you just got to do things the easy way when it comes to cooking. It just didn't feel like cooking tonight. And I had the shredded chicken that I made up from the crock pot. And I had a can of gravy. And it just sounded good on my throat to have gravy and mashed potatoes. Alright, there's our dinner. I don't know. It was the quickest thing I could think of.
And it's so tasty and so worth the wait.
Pumpkin.
Not that I had to wait.
Pumpkin just had some green beans.
Oh,
I took the onions out. Dogs cannot have onions, so she had a little bit of green beans.
She wants what I have, huh?
I rinsed them off too. So yeah, you cannot have papas. Why? Why can't I not have papas? All right, enjoy your dinner.
Pumpkin had a busy day on the beach. So did we. And we're all wiped out.
Yeah, she's gonna sleep really well tonight.